All right. So in terms of what is the client actually obtaining, and the air permit is the tangible asset there. In terms of the intangibles, they're really facilitating and purchasing the intellectual property of Sage, the years of experience, the interaction with the regulatory agencies, both state, federal, and then mitigating any potential problems that could arise. So they're ultimately gaining the end product being their operating permit, so they can actually start construction, begin operating, and then generate a revenue stream. So somebody will come to Sage probably specifically for the QA/QC process. We follow the Six Sigma approach in our QA/QC process, whereas the CG will typically win the work. The project manager will facilitate that work, push it down to our technical staff, where the technical staff will have a layer of QA/QC between the two PTs, if you will, the two technical staff. It will then be pushed up to the PM for another level of QA/QC over the QA officer, and then ultimately back up to the CG for the final level of QA, and then finally to the client. Sage is not the first consulting company that I've specifically worked for. So typically what we would do at another consulting company is your PM would sort of act more as the CG level at another consulting company, and your technical staff may be at the PM level, but however the technical staff will just end up doing the majority of that work, and then it'll just be pushed to the client. There's no real level of QA/QC outside of the project manager and the technical staff. So you actually have that extra layer of QA/QC below and then above and to the side with the QA officer.